Okay, I don't know if you remember the last video. I did marinated for like 8 hours. Well, this one, I said the next time I marinate, we're doing overnight. So let's get this put together. We're gonna marinate this overnight. Come in close and I'll show you what I'm marinating, what I'm working on. But this is my mom's, one of my favorite dishes that my mom used to make when she was alive. She made this all the time, but I'm trying to make it without the sugar. I'm trying to use monk fruit, which seems to be the saving grace of sugar substitutes. We're going to use some monk fruit, I'll show you, and we're going to replace the sugar with monk fruit. We're going to marinate this beef, and then we're going to grill it up, and it's going to be hopefully awesome. And if this works out, I'm going to be so happy because I can never have her teriyaki short ribs anymore because she put sugar in it. I can't, and I miss it. So we'll see if we can get it to work this way. This is one of the best meals she's ever made, and it's so simple. I've done a few videos on it already. In fact, one of the videos that I did on it was the day that she passed, and then we did it that day. Ironically, the timing was quite odd, but anyway. So let's show you the main event right here. We're not doing regular short ribs. These I found at Sam's Club. They're like strips. They got the bones, kind of like you would do the Korean barbecue ribs, the galbi ribs. But this is short rib meat. So this package was like 30 bucks. And I've never seen it cut this way with the short ribs. So instead of cutting along with the bone like they normally do, they cut across the bones. And they've got these. So we're going to take these and create our marinade. We're going to use minced onion, minced garlic, soy sauce, and I do the low sodium because I just don't want all that salt. But we got the monk fruit powder. And then here's something I just found. So Splenda is getting in the game of monk fruit now. Splenda's making its own monk fruit. It comes like this. Tammy carries one of these in her purse. You just shoot it and squeeze it into your iced tea. You squeeze it into your beverages. It's kind of a liquid type of a monk fruit, but we're not using that today. I just wanted to show you this brand because it seems to be something that I've been using lately, and I'm very pleased with it. So once again, monk fruit is quite sweet. If you've never worked with monk fruit, I like it better than Splenda. I like it better than Equal. I like it better than Sweet and Low. I like it better than Swerve. I only use Swerve if it's brown sugar or powdered sugar, but for regular sugar replacement, I use monk fruit. And then be ready because I'm going to try and do like that baker did pound cake with monk fruit. I'm going to try that. So see if I can nail it at home so I don't have to drive 5 hours for pound cake. But anyway, so once again, minced onion, minced garlic, soy sauce, beef, and today we're using monk fruit. Okay guys, we got to make the marinade first, so let's do it. I'm just eyeballing everything, but the recipe will be down below. It's like a cup of soy sauce. The single recipe, I'm trying to do a little bit more than a single. So the single recipe I know by heart. It's a cup of soy sauce, quarter cup of sugar, tablespoon of minced garlic, tablespoon of minced onions. Put in a pot with the ribs, shake it, and that's it. Well, I'm doing it totally different. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag. But let's just pour all our soy sauce once again. I'm not measuring out soy sauce. Just taking what I got, leftovers, and then adding a small bottle to it. So that should be plenty. This is going to sit overnight so I don't have any mistakes. All right, so that's done. Now let's get let's put the seasoning in there. I mean the sweetener in there. Here we go. Little minced onions. Gonna be a little bit heavier on the garlic because I love garlic. Okay. Here we go. It's all good. Get your whisk. Whisk it all together. There you go. All right, get your meat in a something to marinate it in. Probably a Ziploc bag would be best. Okay, guys, it's as simple as pouring the marinade into the bag. There you go. Okay, press all the air out. Get all the air pressed out. And close it up. Looks like a little moisture is getting out, so that's why I take a bowl. Once I'm done, I put it in a bowl. Now what I do is every 30 minutes I flip this, okay? So take this and rotate this every 30 minutes. This should be good to go. Okay, I think we're all good. Been marinating in the teriyaki with monk fruit all night. So I'm going to lay out my beef ribs on this cookie sheet, and you can grill, you can smoke, you can pressure cook them if you want, you can air fry them if you want. Tammy kind of didn't want me doing pressure cooker. She wanted like more air fry broil. She wants those crispy little tips you get from a direct flame, or maybe like gas grill. So I'm going to reach in here and pull out some ribs and start laying them out. They look great. Come on in close. What are you back there for? I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. This smells good already. It's not even cooked. You can smell the teriyaki. You can smell a little bit of sweetness in there. These are gonna be delicious. So let's get these in. Basically with beef, you can have it rare if you want. You can have it well done if you want. You can have medium rare. Cook it to your liking, all right? I'm gonna throw them in. I'll pull them out when they look like they're done. Okay, guys, look how beautiful these. You can see the meat pulling away from the bone, right? On the bone pieces. So you know it's pretty much done. I did 5 minutes on each side regarding these, but you probably want to use your thermostat. I eat my meat rare, so it doesn't matter if it's undercooked. If it's medium rare, rare, well done, it's gonna be good no matter what. So I'm gonna start taking these off and put them on a plate. We'll take a look at them. They look beautiful. And there you go. That's my mom's teriyaki recipe with monk fruit instead of sugar. If you can have sugar, just replace monk fruit back with sugar and you got a recipe. It's delicious. This will be the best way you ever had short ribs. All right, let's give this a try. Okay, I'm getting way too fast in my getting the camera ready, moving the lights, doing all my stuff that I think this is still hot. I don't know if I can taste it right now. Let's try it. Yeah, that's still a little hot. Let's let that cool for a minute. All right, the only reason for this video was an experiment. Can you just swap sugar anytime in any recipe with monk fruit? Monk fruit tastes sweet. It's good. It doesn't mess with your glycemic levels. So I'm not sure, but if this is the case, this is going to be a home run. I'm going to be making this again all the time. The next thing we're going to do after this video, coming up soon, we're redoing my mom's turkey neck recipes, but we're smoking turkey necks. We're going to see, is it just as good smoked as it is in the pressure cooker or the pot? All right, so let's try this out right now. Here we go. I got all the rest of the ribs over there. Give it a try. Good. Just like I remember. They taste just like my mom's recipe. This was definitely a home run. So pretty much any recipe, swap the sugar out for with the monk fruit, you're good to go. If not, let me know, okay? But in the meantime, enjoy this recipe. You're going to love this recipe. I love you, Mom. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.